In this lesson, we will discuss mathematics of finance, chapter number 5, exercise 5.1 and question number 8. So question we have, what is the present value of an investment at 6% annual simple interest if it is worth 8,000 in 4 years? So first I will write down the formula and then I will explain to you what is the requirement, what you have to find out. Okay, what is the present value? This time you have to find out this. Future value is 8,000. Interest equal to 6%. N is equal to an M. First we have to find out M. So it says 4 years. So see, it is complete 4 years. We do not have any months or any year. It means M is equal to 1. Right? Okay. And then N is equal to 4 years. So it means this is S4. So requirement is that after 4 years at the interest rate of 6%, your investment will be 8,000. So what amount you have now, the present value, what amount you are going to invest, right? So this is S4. I can write down here. Now this is S4. Okay, S4. So put the values here. S4 we have 8,000. P we have to find out. 1 plus if any unknown, right? If you have I unknown, N unknown, P or S, whatever, we can find out. And then multiply by 400 in M is 1. So it is P 1 plus 24 over 100. So again it will be P and 1 plus 24 over 100, which is equal to 0.24. This 8,000 will remains the same. And here is P, and when we will add this, it will be 1.24. Right? As I have told you that we are going to calculate P and we want only the value of P. We do not want whatever is multiplying with P. So it means if you want to get rid of this 1.24, you have to divide with the same amount here and same with the other side of the equation. This will cancel each other. Divide 8,000 divided by 1.24, you will get 6,451.61. So it means your P, currently you have for $6,451.61 or 60 cents, you can say. If you want, you can just make a round figure. $6,451 you have. If you will invest this amount today, after 4 years at the interest rate of 6%, it will be 8,000. Practice this problem. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.